Hey, how's it going? It's your boy Ollie here. I hope you're having an awesome day. For those of you that have just come onto my channel for the very first time, I want to say warm welcome to you. And for those of you that have already followed me and have already subscribed, I want to say again, thank you so much for all your continued support and welcome back. So we are now into day 11 of my 3K in 31 days challenge. And you know something, I've been having a lot of you asking me, okay Ollie, so how much have you made? You're into day 11, you've tried all these ways of generating money online, how much have you made? Well, I said to you that I would be transparent, and I've got to say, yes, it's about that time that I've made some money. And I woke up this morning and boom, I got a notification saying that I've actually sold some items on eBay. So if you can see here on the screen, that is exactly what I woke up to, and that is by selling using eBay. So that's one method that I have used to help generate money online, and I'm hoping it's just the start of much more money to be earned to come. So I thought I would just shoot this quick update. Well, I said I was going to be totally transparent, and I will show you as and when I earn any money from all of the various different ways that I am now using to help me generate money online. Guys, I am so excited. Like I said, I've taken the last 11 days experimenting, exploring, researching all these various different ways of making money online, and it is now starting to trickle through. I am very confident that this is just the start, but it's exciting. So anyway guys, I'm going to leave that video here, but if you liked this video, then make sure you hit that like button, and also don't forget to smash that subscribe. And if you want to keep up to date with all the videos that I'm uploading as and when they happen, you make sure you hit that bell icon, that little notifications bell, so that each time that I do shoot a video, you will be one of the first to get a notification about it. Guys, I hope you're well. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, because I know I will. Take care, and I speak to you on my next video. Bless.